Okay, this is a brief tutorial on the Pack and Go for your speed reducer assembly. You're going to want to have your drawing open, what we worked on in class. And you're going to go to File, Pack and Go, and this might be something you see here. So if I don't have anything checked up here, you might have stuff checked, but if I don't, in this case, it shows all of the references and how they break down. So this top line shows speed reducer assembly drawing, which is what we're currently in, and then it has all the references. The main reference is the assembly itself, and then the assembly is made up of these parts. We want to include the drawings for each of these items as well. So we want to click Include Drawing and also include toolbox components. So you can see these might be minimized. They might look like this. They might have little pluses next to them like that. You want to make sure that if there's a little plus right there, you open all these up just to double check that every single part has its drawing. Part drawing. That's a fastener. Don't worry about that. That's your toolbox component right there. Housing drawing. Top cover drawing, etc., etc. Make sure that there's a corresponding drawing with every single part. Once you have confirmed that, go to Save to Zip File. This is fine the way that it's saved. You're going to browse, and you're going to save it to the same location or somewhere that you can find it, because you're going to upload this, and you're going to name this something like Speed Reducer Assembly. And save. Save. Okay, now you're going to find it. For some reason, I have something else open here, which is really annoying. I can't see the bottom of my screen. There we go. Okay. So when you go to upload your assignment, let's see if I can even find it. Got so much going on right now. Lola. There it is, Speed Reducer Assembly. It's a zip, right? So that's all you're going to upload into the assignment. So upload, or you can drop it in there as well. Sometimes my upload doesn't work. Okay, I'll just drag it then. Speed Reducer Assembly, the whole thing. Drop it in there, wait for it to load, and then submit. And then you're done. To learn more about our program, check us out at fvcc.edu, and for more tips and tricks, subscribe to this channel.